Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, welcome. If you are returning, thanks for coming back, Habibi. For those who don't know me, my name is Vlogtober, and if you are new, please click that subscribe button so that every time I upload a video you get a notification. Today I'm starting a new vlog with Clean with me. It's going to be a silent vlog because I am tired. I'm not in the mood for preparing, for yapping, yep. Nope, I'm just gonna place my camera every time and try to show you guys what I'll be doing. And yeah, the reason why I'm planning to do Thursday, by the way, this weekend, not even tomorrow, is our anniversary. So I'll go to the salon, like, you know, my nails, my lashes, my hair, everything. So I don't think I would like to clean when I've got nails done. Like, I don't wanna break my nails or something like that. So I'll try to clean today. Hopefully by Sunday it will be still clean. Because wow, it's our anniversary and I'm happy about our anniversary. 355 days of being in a relationship, of not cheating to each other. Yes, of not cheating to each other. My boyfriend has never cheated on me. I've never cheated too. So it has been a beautiful 365 days, and I'm happy. I wish we could continue like this up until I don't know when. So guys, yeah, if vlog of 1 year anniversary, it will come up with membership packs. So if you haven't subscribed, I don't know what are you waiting for. You're waiting for me to drop something in order for you to go to the membership packs? I don't know. But if it's like that, that's still fine. I'll drop my first video, I think Sunday or Monday, between the two. It will depend with how fast I am to upload, but I'll try to be quick. And also, I don't think Sunday I have something to post. It's just gonna go out and celebrate, and when I come back I need to edit, or in the morning. Not in the morning, what am I saying? Or in the evening, I mean a Sunday, so that is over live on Sunday. 1 year anniversary membership pics. I'm not gonna post it here because that's something that's private for me. We are celebrating our anniversary, but I still wanna share with the ones that support me the most. Our membership now about support the most. So you guys, if you even subscribe or you haven't joined a membership fee, I don't know, membership packs, I don't know what you're waiting for, because you're gonna miss out. I'll give them a life family, a private prayer, but I'll still share with them. And you guys, let me stop rambling, let me start cleaning. And I like this chick. So guys, I'm about to take a shower. I'm done cleaning. I'm just gonna wrap this video here, and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe so that every time I upload a video you get a notification. And please don't forget to leave something on the comment section, even if it's hard, something. So bye, I'll see you on my next one.